Hey guys, this is Don at Hilltech, and today I got a fun little project I'm working on. It's an old aluminum cylinder head from a 426 Hemi. It's kind of a special head. It's been around for a lot of years. I've seen a lot of use, and the exhaust manifold bolt threads that are tapped into the cylinder head are all wallowed out and destroyed for whatever reason over the years. So a buddy of mine had a kind of a kit for using helicoils to do a thread replacement in aluminum. So he sent those to me. He sent me the tap, drill bit, and the insert tool. And so I'll give you a rundown and go through it with you. But can all be done with simple hand tools, nothing special, nothing extravagant. You can do this on your workbench with just basic hand tools. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is our aluminum head, and as you can see, these are the 3/8 fasteners that hold the flange on, the header flange, and they just drop right in. They've been, over the years, they've been damaged for whatever reason. But anyway, so I'm going to go real quick, a little process. So whenever you get, this is for a 3/8 helicoil. This is a little package of helicoils. I bought some individuals. These are 3/4 inch long, so I get a lot of engagement in that aluminum. The drill that we're going to be using is an X, and I think that is 0.3970 in the index, and that is going to be used with this tap. But when you're going to drill this by hand, you have the tendency to not make it square. So what I've done ahead of time is made up this block, basically a tapping block, but it's also a drilling block, and that keeps the drill bit nice and straight. So you would kind of line up your hole here, get it lined up, and then let's put a clamp on it. On this head, we can clamp it. So you'd clamp it, put your drill on your X bit, go in real slow, line it up, and drill it out. Done. Okay. Now, this other hole is just the size of the tap. So the tap goes right through it. Okay. So let's line that up. We'll line the tap up with the hole, and let's reclamp this. Okay. Excuse me. Now we can start to do our tapping. Now we're getting towards the bottom of it where it's got some pretty good material. Now I've gone for a pretty long time there, so let's clean this out, clean all those chips out, and we'll go again. So now that hole should be to a right angle of this face here. We'll blow it out one more time. Now this is the inserting tool. I don't know if you can see on the end right there, but it has a kind of has a little burr on it. This is the helicoil. And the helicoil has this little foot on it that catches in that burr. So let's run those on. You'll be able to see it engage right there. It engages, and that's what pulls it around. So now we didn't take our block off because we're going to use this as a guide, get us nice and straight. Put this in. Okay. And we'll run it in about 5 or 6 revolutions. Now we can take this block off. Now it's in there started quite a ways. So let's finish it. And I like to take them down so that they're just below the surface there, so I don't have to worry about this little burr sticking up. And that's about it. Okay, now we can remove this. And we'll take a punch in that little foot that's inside there. We're going to break that off. There we go. And take some air, blow that out. And there it is. That's the little piece that broke off. Okay, so that's finished. So now let's try our 3/8 bolt inside that. Okay, there we go. Done. The interesting thing I wanted to show you on this head is this is a factory racing head from back in the day. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here was the direct connection stamp, and that was for Dodge, Plymouth, Chrysler, and DeSoto. But what's unique about this is it has dual spark plug holes for an alcohol engine. But this was a piece that you could buy from your Dodge dealer, probably back in the 60s, and go racing with your big block Hemi. Anyway, I have a few more to do on this block. On this cylinder head. And so now I've got 5 of them finished, and I have 3 more to do. So I hope this helps somebody. You can do this with simple hand tools. Just try to be as precise as you can, and good luck. All right, thanks. This is Don from Hilltech, and we'll see you next time.